susunod na artist na tatawagin ko, baka hindi nyo kayanin mag-relax. Whether siya si Cyrus or Morpheus, alam kong love na love niyo siya. Please welcome ang napakahusay, napakagwapo, Jay Cuenca!
Ain't never felt this way. Can't get enough since today. Let's travel right down whole day. You're the only one, alright. To know that you keep me up all night. To me, hard to compose my picture. The body could take your place. Need to know that I'm hella obsessed with your.
Thank you so much, Jay Cuenca!
Hey guys!
Jay! Punta ka naman dito!
Hey guys!
Hello!
MJ, hey guys! Thank you sa napakainit na pagtanggap.
Oo, sobrang init na gumad ka na eh.
Too hot! It's
Too hot. It's too hot. But I'm so happy, Jake, that your energy is so back.
Thank you, thank you.
It's so nice to see you back here in What's Wrong with Secretary Kim?
Yes.
Unforgettable behind-the-scenes story.
Wow, I think for me, the unforgettable, I think it's working with Kim again eh. Sabi ko, like for me, marami na kami nagawa ni Kim, pero every time ko siya makatrabaho, it feels like the first time.
Right.
Excited ka talaga makatrabaho siya.
Ako, to be
Saka, nabunin ko na rin yung pagkakataon na magpasalamat sa lahat ng Kim Pao fans. It's been an honor and it's been a pleasure to entertain all of you. Thank you so much. much, guys. Thank you.
Okay, jump ka lang. Relax ka lang dyan. Tawagin natin again, Mr. Franco Laurel. And also joining us on stage, sina Felix at Doc Liwanag, Kai Cortez and Ramnick Sarmenta! Ay! Ay! Akala ko si Bini Maloy.
Kaya nga, dapat hindi makapunta yung Billy, sabi ko akong bahala.
Sample nga, sample! Sample! Ay, salamin sa loob. Ay, ganun pala. Iba din naman. Mati ka muna, Kai, please, to everybody.
Hello, Market Market! Excited na ba kayo makita ang Kim Pao?
Pa!
Wait lang kayo dyan.
Oh, di ba? And of course, Kawan Urian, Best Actor! Ramnick Sarmenta!
Sabi, arte ko na lang daw. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for having us. Hanggang dito pala sa likod, no? Kamusta kayo? Huwag kayong mag-alala, lalabas sila. Promise. Pag hindi magkakalit na may anak ko, ba't kayo sa lumabas? Thank you.
Okay, Ramnick, Kai, Franco, and Jake, we're gonna play a game.
Okay.
We're gonna play a game and we have 6 lucky fans. Ito ba? 8 lucky fans to join us. Come on up! Atin yung mga fans. Maglalaro. Dahan-dahan. Careful,
Masaya
careful.
ito!
Careful!
Ayun na sila.
Careful.
Ayan!
Hello!
Just so, ito na. Okay. Team Castillo versus Team Liwanag. Yeah. Okay. So, ayan, kasama na ni Romnick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ito ang unang team.
Ayan na!
Franco, Jake with all the more. Kayo yung second
Team
team.
Castillo to, kailangan!
Kailangan galingan. Okay. Ang game natin is Pictionary.
Pictionary.
Magdodrawing kayo. Okay? Meron kayong huhulaan. There are, I think, more than 6 words.
Okay.
You have 3 minutes. Ganito yan. So we have our Team Bibe here. Ito ang ating whiteboard at yung ating marker. So mauuna si Romnick. Ibubulong ko sa kanya yung word. Ito-drawing niya. Pag nahulaan, 1 point.
Okay.
Pag hindi mahulaan, you can say pass. Pero pag nag-pass, Romnick will go to the end of the line. Next.
Okay.
You have 3 minutes. Pinakamaraming words na inyong mahulaan in 3 minutes, yun ang panalo ng crew.
Laban.
Okay? Again, ibubulong ko yung word. Okay? Hindi pwedeng ipakita kasi makita nyo na yung the rest of the ano. Alright? So, we start with Romnick and Kai's team.
Alright. Go Team
Alright?
Liwanag.
Team Liwanag muna tayo.
Wala bang papalakas ng loob dyan?
Paano ba? Paano ba?
Paano ba?
Yeah!
Sino ang mga para sa Team Liwanag? Thank you.
Sino para sa Team Castillo?
Matindi. Okay, simulan na natin ang 3 minutes timer. Pakita natin sa screen. Romnick, your first word is...
Ayan na, Best Actor. Ito po ang unang struggle natin. Maririnig ba niya? Ayan na, ayan na. Bilog. Harape.
Hey, go, go,
Harape.
next.
Pansit Canton. Pandesal with Pansit Canton.
Correct! Next.
Jeep.
Yes!
Yes!
Next.
Ano yan? Girl, Bright. Secretary. Kim. Kim Marie. Ano pa?
Kembular.
Tempular.
Pass!
Sige, go.
Next. Romney.
Ilong. Kiss. Kiss. Yes.
Next.
Kumate. Ang saya. Ulan. Rain. Waterfalls. Fire. Truck. Fire. Bonfire. Fire. Balahibo. Higad. Tao. Bagay. Pagkain. Ano yan?
Rice field?
Ulan. Grass.
Check. 30 seconds.
Pass!
Pass na lang.
Roger goes in. Last. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Ano yan? Ulan.
Tumingin na.
Rain.
Fire.
Time's up. Time's up.
Tama,
Time's up.
fireworks
Time's up.
pero
Kaya
hindi
niyo yun?
Oo.
Kaya niyo yun?
Okay, so nakahula kayo ng 7 words.
Yay!
Okay.
7 words.
Let's go naman sa Team Castillo. Ay, pila. Sino una?
Naku, Jake, marunong ka ba mag-drawing? Ewan ko sa'yo.
Okay. First word, ready. Go! Timer! Ano na? Secretary, next. Use your mic.
Notebook. Yung nobela. Novel. Morpheus.
No.
Ninja Boy.
TikTok.
Pass.
Castillo Family. Liwanag pa. Barcades. Be the best. Sino?
Family, next.
Barcades. Family. Bahay. Castillo Family.
Love triangle, correct. Next. Jake, sige mag-drawing ka.
Go, Jake!
1 minute 30 seconds.
Patay.
1 minute 30 seconds.
Hinimatay. Hinimatay si Secretary Kim. Emergency. Revive. CPR.
No.
Love scene.
No.
No.
Pass. Next. Mahirap.
Cyrus. Brandon. Robert.
No. Pass, 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 next, pass.
Ninja Boy.
Ay, grabe, 1 minute na lang. 1 minute na lang.
Outing.
2 seconds.
Bahay.
You
Enchanted
now
Kingdom.
have
No.
30 seconds left.
No. 19 seconds. No.
Bahay ng mga Kastilyo.
No. No.
Office.
Tulungan na kaya natin sila.
Prime Alpha.
5, 4, 3,
Ano yan?
2, 1.
Time's up. Time's up. Time's up. Time's up. Time's up. Time's up.
Medyo mahirap talaga yung ano, no? Yung word.
Parang mahirap yung sa kanila
sa
na.
kanila.
Parang pinahirapan niyo yung Kastilyo.
Yung kanyang dinadraw ay couch.
Ah.
Oo. Kay Jake, ang dinadrawing mo, Jake, ay...
Jake, ano yung drawing mo daw?
Ano yung dinadrawing mo, Jake?
Ano yung drawing mo? Massage.
Massage!
Ang hirap naman yun.
Hindi mo kong bastos.
Actually,